How to set up job alerts on Indeed. Welcome back to a new video on HowGenX. If you want to get notified for any new job opportunities that pop up inside of Indeed and you want to get notified straight into your email address, let me show you the way that you turn it on. Now what you need to do is head over to the profile section or the human icon on the top right of the screen. From this section, make sure you head inside of settings. Inside of settings, head over to communication settings. And the first option here you'll see is email. It says right here, emails about new jobs, matching your job searches and companies you follow. So based upon the companies that you search for and the companies that you follow, you're going to get job alerts right inside of your email. So make sure you click inside of this and it's going to show you the email address that is currently connected. That means you're going to get emails or job notifications whenever a new job is posted. So by default, if this option is turned on for you, you're going to get job alerts right inside of your email address. The other thing that you can also do is head over to the notification section on the top right of the screen and then click on find jobs. This way as well, you're going to get notified inside of Indeed for any new job opportunities that may be of your match. So that was a quick video on the way that you set job alerts inside of Indeed. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.